So good morning. Now we have woken up and we are going into Starigrad. So we had a interesting night. There was a lot of rain, a lot of storms, a lot of lightning, but now it has calmed down and we are going here. I think it's gonna be perfect. So good morning. We are here at Starigrad. I went to get some figs for the lunch and now we are getting ready to departure and we go to Hvar. So see you in Hvar. We had a nice morning. So now we are sailing from Starigrad to Hvar and we are making a nice breakfast. So now we are here at Pakleni. The weather is getting better and better, and so is the temperature of the water. We will stay here for the night, and in the evening we have dinner, and I think we found ourselves a beautiful place. So we will enjoy the rest of the day.